What's up, guys? Long time no see. Alright, so I haven't been doing videos in the last 2 months about like updates and stuff like that on my account, on my merch account, and just all around in general. So let's get back into this, start doing the little daily or the monthly little vlogs and stuff, and just little quick tips. I'm on the way to the gym right now. Going to the gym right now. Today is going to be leg day. Leg day, and I've been eating pretty healthy. Just trying to cut down like a lot of my body fat, and it's been working. I feel good. I'm tired sometimes when I wake up in the morning, but it's all good. Been drinking lots of water. I have a gallon of water. You guys always see me like in my lives and stuff like that. I'll be drinking water. So yeah. So for the month of June, what is it? Was it June? Like it's like July. This month is my birthday month. July 17th is my birthday. For the month of June, I sold like, I think it was 1,127 shirts. I think the royalties were like close to $3,600. I've just been focusing more on the design on itself, and my numbers have, like the previous 2 months, my numbers kind of sucked, and I had to get rid of a couple people because they weren't up to my standards, and I had to just get rid of a couple of them. And now we're just going. Designing. I have a couple of illustrators on the team. The designs, how they're doing it, they're making really good designs, really good designs, and I'm pleased with it. I think with this month we're mostly going into like Halloween, like start designing for Halloween now. Been doing a few back to school designs too as well. If you guys don't follow me like on my social medias, like on Instagram and stuff like that, kind of show you guys a little bit on Snapchat too as well. We also have we'll have my Instagram down below in the description, and then also so let's get into the video, and I'll show you guys kind of the results for June. And also, if you guys haven't got my research for June, I'm gonna have it down below in the description too as well. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. You know what I mean? To say I'm all about giving out content, and I've been doing a lot of it for free and just helping everybody. And there's a lot of people that I've helped from the very beginning, and I'm just very happy to see that like them actually have like an accomplishment and accomplish something and with their business. So that's a really good feeling. So yeah, let's get into the video. Alright guys, what's going on? Like I said, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel now. Hit the subscribe button and then hit the notification bell, just to kind of keep you guys updated with everything that I'm doing. So yeah, let's get into this video right here. Into the results, the recap of June. So as you can see right here, the beginning of July is it's pretty slow. Like yesterday was pretty slow, and then today is really slow. Don't even want to talk about today. I haven't seen numbers like this in a long time. So yeah, the last month was I'll show you the previous 2 months too, because I didn't do the previous 2 months, but we'll go back and I'll show you kind of the previous 2 months. They were kind of slow too as well. But June, it actually kind of picked up just a little bit, as you can see right here, the previous month. And so 1,126 shirts sold. Okay, and then all time, like I broke last month too. I broke over 15,000 shirts sold, and then I'm about to pass 60K. I should do that this month, hopefully. I'm pretty sure I will. So yeah, things are just like, I don't know. I'm still at the last 2 months. I actually had to get rid of a couple people, and I'm more focused on the design now. So, and I noticed the difference too, and a little bit of the designs too as well. Like it's making like the designs, as far as like illustration wise, like the artists are drawing out designs that are like really good, and I noticed a big difference in sales. Like I could see a lot of the designs are like ranking better on Amazon, and just more focused on like keywords too as well. So you guys want to keep in mind too, when you're like, the title's like one of the most important things. So like the keyword that you're trying to rank for, You always want that at the beginning of the title. So I'm gonna say that again. The keyword that you're gonna rank for, that you want to rank for, like you're targeting for like the trend or whatever. So whatever trend is coming up, whatever holiday or whatever, you always want that at the beginning of the title. So that's very important, okay? Doing the same exact thing, starting off real low, start the price real low at $12.99, $13.99, and then once that first initial sale comes in, I will bump it up to $16.99. Okay. As far as the illustration designs that I know that they were making sales, I actually bumped them up to $19.99, and they were making sales still. Like the very last minute, I bumped it up to $19.99 for 4th of July, and they were making sales. And with the premium shirts too, I put them up to $21.99, and I can see like a big boost in like the increase in the royalties too as well. So there were some days, like, let's see where I bumped up the prices at. Right here, I bumped up the prices like the last minute. And then I can just see like there's a big difference from $91 in royalties to almost like a $60 difference, or it is a $60 difference in royalties by just bumping up all the prices, and the customers are still buying. So yeah, like I said, I'm just more focused on the design, putting out a good quality design now, and I really stopped doing like too much text. Well, actually I do a little bit of both, so it's like a mixture of both, so I really can't say that. But yeah, I'm just kind of focusing more on the design, and I'm uploading to different platforms too as well. There's Etsy. I'm not gonna really talk about Etsy on here. Still not where I want it to be, so it's a little, yeah, like I said too, it's a little frustrating the last 2 months, and just focusing on, like I said, like more of the design now. You know what I mean? Like I want it to stand out more different than, like I wanted to stand out better than other designs on merch. So let's see, like the top shirt for last month. Let's see how many times it sold. Let's see, we got a 39. I think that might be the one right there. Oh, 49. 37. Uh-oh, it's tied up right there. Yeah, so it's 49. So you can see the top selling shirt was 49. So there's actually 2 of them that were at 49. So yeah, so t-shirts at 49. So two shirts that sold 49 times that last month. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Just want to kind of go over everything, a little recap. Let's show this one. Go back real fast on this one. For merch, as you can see right here too. So April 34, May 31, and then this month was like 37 or something like that. So, and then you can see the adjustments with the returns too, accepting returns. I'll do another video on pop sockets and stuff like that. There's also too, there's this new program that I've been using. It's called Orbit Kit, and then I'll put this down below in the description down below. So basically what it does is you can actually, so they're going to open it up again. I think they're going to have a live webinar on the 5th, and basically what this is going to do, and I've been testing it out. I've been testing it out pretty hard. I'm probably like one of the, well, I'm like one of the top guys just testing it out and throwing up a lot of designs. As you can see, like I have over 1,500 designs on different platforms on here. So the most results that I'm getting from Cafe Press, I have not got a sell on. So, but I put it up like, you know, at the beginning. So like basically you just take a design and you can upload it by putting up the tags. You're gonna put up the tags, and then you can put the design, upload the design, and then you upload it to all 4 platforms. So I've been uploading to Cafe Press because it's like just basically a click of a button and it automatically uploads. So I put up over, the most success I'm having from right now, the most success would be, it's between Spreadshirt and Redbubble. And I'll show you the results over here. So I have over 62 sales so far. 62 sales so far on Spreadshirt. Okay, as you can see where I started uploading. And then I'll show you over here Redbubble. Redbubble is, as you can see, I've been averaging, so I started uploading right here in March, and then you can see 49, 132, and 107. And now right now this month it's at 55. And the payouts are usually at the middle of the month, like the 15th of every single month. the payouts. Yeah, and then Teespring. Okay, as you can see right here, Teespring's okay. There was like some days I was averaging like sales every single day, as you can see in May, and it kind of just died down just a little bit. But my thing is like, okay, you're paying it, why not have all your designs like on different platforms to get like, you know, get eyes on it, you know? So that's what I've been doing, and I can see it actually paying off in a way, because if you really think about it, you're cutting the cost on the design work. Like say if you outsource it like me, these other platforms are making up for the actual like the design making sales. So it's actually making sales over here on Spreadshirt, and it's over here making sales on Redbubble too as well. So that's pretty cool. And like all time I made over 142 sales over here on Redbubble. So that's pretty cool. And then I made 15 sales over here on Teespring, 62 over here. So everything is just adding up. Now, like think about it, like when we get into fourth quarter, it's going to be even, yeah, it should be even like way better. Like I don't know, we'll see. Like hopefully I'll be pushing over $1,000 a month on Redbubble, just uploading, you know what I mean? Because I'm uploading the same designs that I put on merch, I'm throwing them on these different platforms. Basically, it's going to be kind of giving it like more like, it's giving it a lot more views. Like it's getting in front of more people, and that's a good thing. So yeah, I'm gonna put like I said, I'm gonna put a link down below. This is a monthly program that you can use, $100 a month, I believe it is. But they're gonna have a webinar on the 5th, and you can check it out. And like I said too, like if your business, like I'm always about this, if your business can't afford it, then don't do it. Okay, you don't have to do it, but it's something. Just want to show you guys like what it's doing. And like I said, you just upload a design, you put the tags, you put like a little brief description, and boom, upload it. You upload it to 4 different platforms, or I think they have 5 now. I believe it is now. They actually just put Fine Art of America. I haven't messed around with that yet, but I do want to get it up there. And basically what I do is I'll get this blueprint for this Fine Art of America, and then I can upload all the designs that I have uploaded to other platforms to here. Let's like a click of a button, and they'll upload all the designs over there. So yeah, so that's the recap right there. July last year was one of the slowest months ever too. If you guys want to, let's see. Last year it was, let me see, clicked on the wrong one. Last year, July, I did 3,000, okay? And as you can see, my numbers, of course, right here in December, it picked up a little bit better. Last year too as well, so we're right here coming up on fourth quarter. Now it's time to, you know what I mean, kind of lock down and just kind of upload. We want to get those designs going out and stuff like that. Yeah. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment below, like this video, and share it. Thank you guys. I appreciate it.